Hello YouTube fans and fam, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Newbie Nails and we are here with an unboxing video. I have a ring light and I also have an Arkon tripod. This will hopefully make our life so much easier to be able to record and not have to hold the phone like this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Arkon tripod. And I want to show you the front, but my address is on here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I can't show you the label, but this is pretty much what it is. And it just arches over, so you get like a bird's eye view and you're able to record from the top. So since I'm going to be doing nail tutorials and nail videos, this one came in handy for me because it had one of the best reviews for being sturdy and all that good stuff. Okay, let's open her up. And honestly, one thing I want to say is that Amazon, I bought this off Amazon, and just because it had like 2-day shipping and I didn't have to wait that long for it, but Amazon, you guys need to get it together because they just shipped my package just like this and they just threw my label on it. So God forbid I was in an area where everyone steals packages, because they would have literally stole my package because it was just thrown outside near the mailbox. So Amazon, get it together. So anyways, let's open this up. Here we have our base. And I'm going to show you once I open them. This is the arm. And it's just what goes on the base. And I have no idea what this is, but we will find out. Okay, so first things first is we're going to attach this part to the base. It says tighten clockwise to secure. Okay. And we have the base here. And we don't break no nails. Okay. Alright, so we got this in place. And they gave us an Allen wrench. Next up. Alright, we're going to put the metal ball into here on the collar and then tighten. Okay, this is going to be a little hard because I don't have my tripod on right now. I just bought the tripod from Taotronics. So, what am I gonna do is, I have one here. I'm just gonna straighten this out. I'll put that in place. Can I open this? Oh, it opens! Ha ha ha! What a fail. We almost broke it. Almost. Alright. So this is what it's looking like so far. And next up. Oh, okay. This is for the camera. This is for a camera mount, not for the phone mount. Okay, this is just an extra piece, so we don't need to mount this. Great. Okay. Well, that was easy. That was super easy. So I'm going to put this aside for when I do get a camera. Right now we are using our 11 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, so we are back. And now we're going to unbox the ring light. So as you can see, now we are at a different angle. I'm just gonna push the camera back a little bit so you guys can see the box better. So this is the LED light that I got from Taotronics. As you can see over here, it's a little lamp. I've had this lamp for a couple years now, and it's amazing. It was like maybe $40 at the time when I bought it. It's a little desk lamp, but the LED on this lamp works amazing. I've used this lamp for nails for the longest time. If I find it, I will leave the description down below in case anyone needs just a regular LED lamp for their desk. Here's the levels. This is the first level, second, and third. And it also has a night light, and it also has a 1 hour timer to shut off. But for now, we're gonna push this over here to the side, and we're gonna use this as our lighting because we have to unbox this. Okay, so let me open this up. This is what we got. We have a adjustable tripod stand. We have our user guide and a thank you card from Taotronics. I really like their lamps. So far, I've had a good experience with this one. Like I said, I've had it for a couple years, and it's still super bright. So hopefully, Taotronics, you come through for a sister with these ring lights. All right, so this is a 10-inch. Oh, I lied. It's a 12-inch. 12-inch LED ring. Okay, so this is a 12-inch. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than my hand in the center, and it comes with a button lighting level, a button lighting level. It doesn't have the knob, which is what I kind of wanted, so I'm kind of going based off the reviews off Amazon and hoping that Taotronics comes through for me again, because like I said, I really like their desk lamp. Okay, so here is their remote. And here we have our phone stand. And actually, I think this one, yeah, this one brings double phone stands. So you can put one like in the circle and one in front of the circle. So I really, really like that about Taotronics. I didn't see another ring light that brought these two, so I thought that was really cool. And then that's it. There's nothing else underneath here. So let's put this bad boy together. So this is cute because it comes with like their little Taotronics carrying bag. Very easy to transport wherever you need to take it. So that's a good thing. Okay, so this is a tripod. And it has the extenders on the legs. So I am going to set this up and then we'll be right back. I do just want to mention that this tripod is adjustable. So if you wanted to record just on the table, like put this in a corner, you can bring this up and tighten it. And then you can put the ring light at a 180-degree angle and you can record just like this, like you would with the Arkon. Let's set this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. And right off the bat, I have a few things I don't like about the ring light. It doesn't bring a plug for the wall. It just has a USB cord. So you'll have to figure a way how to plug this into a box for the outlet. Another thing that I didn't really like was, like I said, it doesn't have an adjustable switch. It just has this control, which is just an on button, dimmer, brighter, and then switching the colors. So I'm gonna turn this on so that you guys can see the color of the lighting, and then we'll go from there. The tripod itself was actually pretty easy to put together. So I'm gonna take this out of here so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is how I had it to show you guys. I'm gonna take this out of here. So it goes about 4 feet high, and then let me open this all the way. Alright, so that's open all the way, and this is adjustable, this piece in here, which is what I was trying to show you earlier, but I can't do it with one hand. So if you want to bring this up higher, you can, and it locks right here. And the one thing that I did notice when I was mounting this together was that this piece here, I obviously need the light down on the table to do what I need to do, but this piece here doesn't tighten as much as I need it to. Right here. So this little switch right here is what controls if this goes up and down, and if it stays in place. I have not mounted my phone on here, so I'm not sure if it's gonna go down with the weight of the phone, but let's try it out. So it does look like it holds its weight. I did tighten it a lot. I'm not sure if that's gonna snap or anything, but I guess we'll have to do like a wear and tear video. Looks good. It's holding its weight. I'm just rocking it back and forth to see if it goes down. The mount is a little tight, but that's always good because it's going to make sure that the phone stays in place. And yeah, it looks good. Okay guys, so that is the end of our video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you hit it with a big thumbs up, and make sure you leave a comment down below. I will be doing notifications, shout outs on my videos at the end of my video, so please make sure that you leave a comment down below if you want to get shouted out. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit thumbs up, comment, hit the notification bell so that you do get notified when our next video is coming on, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.